Welcome to EduBuds. In this video, we will learn about managing applications of new admissions received by the school online when submitted by the parents through their mobile phone or computer by visiting a school's website admission link. In this case, there is no need to enter students' data into the system because it is already fed by the parent while applying online. However, we may edit and do necessary modifications in the data if required before admitting such student. After successful login, when we click on Manage Applications button under the Admissions menu, we get the blank form along with few buttons such as Retrieve, Previous, and Next under the Select Application Type to Retrieve heading. We also get the View Documents and Submit button. We can also see Print Application, Fee Payment, and Show Report button. Let us first explore the usage of each button. Retrieve button is used to retrieve all applications received, approved, rejected, or admitted under the selected class and selected option. Previous and Next buttons are used to browse through the applications back and forth. View Document button is used to open and view the documents uploaded by the child. Submit button is used to approve, reject, discard, admit, cancel, or activate the displayed application. Print Application button is used to print the displayed application for getting signature of the parent or for any other required purpose. Fee Payment button is used to receive the fee and print receipt for any admitted student in the office. Show Report button is used to view a comprehensive report of all applications along with each class. Now, let us understand the working of this form. This form allows you to browse each application received by clicking on Previous and Next button, scrutinize the details, verify the documents, and take decision either to approve, reject, or admit that application by selecting the required option and pressing the Submit button. Whatever action you take, such as approve, reject, or admit, will be treated as application type. In order to view applications, select required class, select required application type such as received, approved, rejected, or admitted, then click on Retrieve button. On doing so, the required application data of each child under the selected class and application type will be displayed, which can be edited if required and then can be either approved, rejected, discarded, admitted, cancelled, or activated, depending upon the decision taken by the admission committee or concerned authority of the school. Admitted means that child will become part of the next academic session, that is when the new academic session change is effected by the school through the Master DB menu. Once admitted, the application cannot be rejected or discarded. It can be only cancelled or activated. Activation of a child means that child immediately becomes part of the ongoing academic session and his details cannot be displayed on the screen. Each application under the selected class and application type can be browsed back and forth by clicking on Previous or Next button. Documents uploaded by the child can be viewed by clicking on View Documents button. A copy of the displayed application data can be printed by clicking on Print Application button. Fee payment for the displayed application can be received through the Fee Payment button. Thanks for watching.